Hey everybody, welcome to T-Roy Cooks. Appreciate you joining. Man, I had some requests to do some chicken leg quarters specifically on my Lone Star Grillz 20-inch offset. So I've got it fired up with some pecan wood. It's getting up to temp. We're going to be cooking, give or take 25 degrees, right about 300 degrees Fahrenheit on that thing today. We're going to be rubbing it down with a brand new rub. I'm going to introduce the rub to y'all, and I've been trying this rub out on all sorts of stuff. Man, it's some of the best rub on chicken, shrimp, or other seafood, even like pork and stuff. Man, it is good, really good. Y'all stay tuned to the end of the video. I've got a special promo for y'all guys if y'all want to try it out yourself. Tell you what, a bunch of y'all have also been sending me videos of you and or your kids humming along or singing my intro song. You know, T-Roy chilling in the backyard grilling, cooking up some barbecue for you. So I'm going to play that intro song real quick for you. And I know everybody likes to sing along with us. Y'all go right on ahead. I'll just sit here patiently and wait for you to get back. And when we do get back, we're going to rub down this chicken. We're going to throw it on the Lone Star Grillz. And folks, this is going to be a great video. Should be a shorter one too. Hope you stick around.
T-Roy's chilling in the backyard grilling, cooking up some barbecue for you. T-Roy's chilling in the backyard grilling, showing you that you can cook it too. Always with a beer or whiskey, but he cooks responsibly.
Alright, I think my offset's just about up to temp. I'm showing 275 here, and on the top rack where I've got my probe, it's reading about 320. So this is the middle. They got an upper rack and lower rack, you'll see here in a second, and it usually reads about 25 or so degrees higher on the top rack and lower on the lower rack. So that's your mid-range right there. 275 is where I'm at. We're just doing straight up backyard barbecue, so I just pulled the plastic off here. We're just going to keep it the way I got it from the store right here. And straight up backyard barbecue, folks. Let me show you the rub real quick. This is it, folks. I'm telling you, this is some fantastic stuff. Bald buck. My good friend Chris, who runs the company and makes this stuff, he's actually won some awards and some contests with this particular rub. He decided after a bunch of people kind of twisted his arm into producing it, mass producing it, he got a bottling company. He's starting to produce it now, so his friends are happy, and I'm excited to try it out. Like I said, this is about half a bottle left in here because I've been trying it out. Really, really good. It's just a basic SPG blend with a little bit of onion powder in there too, and I think he's got some cayenne in here. But it's got a little something in there that you won't find in any other rubs that I've tasted anyway, and that gives it a little extra pop. Okay, I'm not putting anything on here. I guess if you want to, you could spray down some oil or something on here. But not using any kind of binder or anything. Just going on like that, folks. Pat her in. Get the other side going here. There we go. I'm not trimming it, not doing anything to it, folks. We're just going to cook it the way it came from the store. Just like that. This one's just about ready to go on the grill. Let's do that. There we go, and I'm cooking on the top rack. There we go. All right, y'all seeing what it's looking like? It's looking pretty doggone good, though. Man, the rub smells good, too. Ain't that pretty? All right. So, I'm going to finish the rest of these up, and we'll bring y'all back after it's had, I don't know, a couple hours to cook or so, and we'll check it. The chicken's cooled off. Let's take a look at it. Let me bring the camera down just a little bit so y'all can see what's happening here. Check that out. Isn't that some gorgeous looking smoked chicken leg quarters, folks? Holy moly. It looks mighty fine. Oh, let me spin it around for you too. And guys, y'all seen me use these cutting boards plenty times. I've got several different ones from Pork Belly Woodworks. He's out of the Dallas area, just maybe a little bit north of Dallas, I believe. But old Alex, man, he makes some great cutting boards. I'll put a link for his Pork Belly Woodworks on Facebook where you can order you one if you want. He's got a lot of different woods he works with. Let's give one of these a try, see what it tastes like. All right, there's my little sample right here. Oh, there's the backside, just in case you want to see. It looks gorgeous. I love, this is one of my favorite things to smoke is some chicken leg quarters, folks. I usually go for the thigh, but this time, let's check out the chicken drumette, or the drum. See the way that skin just pulls off? That's because we cooked it at a high temp, like 300 degrees Fahrenheit for most of the cook. That fat renders out of the skin and leaves the skin crispy, man. I ain't kidding you guys, that's some good rub. You gotta love that hint of smoke from that Lone Star Grill, but this bald buck, folks, y'all need to get you some of this. It's more garlicky than your regular SPG, and it's got, I can't tell if it's a little cayenne or black pepper, but it's got a little touch of heat on the back end. It's still safe for kids, I would say, you know, but this is jamming, y'all. And I've had it on shrimp and other seafood and pork and even beef. Hope y'all check this out. And also too, you know, Chris, the owner of Bald Buck, he contacted me quite a while back and sent me a bottle just to sample, and I've been sampling on it for heck, I don't know, 6 months maybe, something like that. And it's really great on everything. And working with him, I said, man, we need to do something for my fans, and he agreed. He wants to try to promote his product, and what we came up with is he's going to give away 50 bottles. Okay, the first 50 of my fans that go to baldbuck.com. Dogs are after something. First 50 of my fans that go to baldbuck.com, you get you a free bottle, okay? Now, I don't know if that just includes the lower 48. I think it does. You know, so if you're in Canada or somewhere else around the world, you may want to email him and just see if you can get some. You may have to pay shipping on it. But baldbuck.com, folks, enter the promo code, and right now I think that's all you can do is scroll down a little bit. You'll see enter promo code. Enter T. Roy Cooks, and just type what's in the banner down here below. And I'll also put the link down below in the description box. But hope y'all go check it out. Hope you get you some of it. And if you love it like I do, tell your friends, your family members. If you go to church, tell them about it. Tell your coworkers if you go into work in the office. Really, really good stuff. And you know, word of mouth is the best way to spread the word about any kind of product out there. So I appreciate Chris sending me some of this. I'm happy to do this video for him to help him spread the word about his fabulous product. Hope y'all enjoy it like I do. And folks, if y'all like this kind of stuff, give me a thumbs up. Hope you share the video. And when you do, please tell all your friends that T. Roy cooks responsibly. We'll see y'all next time, everybody. Cheers. Yeah, my dog's going nuts because they love chicken too, especially with this rub on it. Get you some. Oh yeah, baby. That's some good chicken, y'all. My bone just fell out. I'm pretty good on Fifi. Fifi likes it.